Hey, and welcome to
Fashion Popo.
where we put the nose in fashion.
No nose. I mean, simple people. Do's and don'ts of fashion. What to do, what not to do. Get real.
Did we see ATI on Friday, Flavor Dome? I just wanted to help the child. He was wearing
Minangas.
PE shorts
See, Simclass
on
hero wannabe.
TV. I just wanted to help a moment of silence for the poor kid.
Anywho, yeah, moving on to 50 Cent. I mean, seriously, gangster with a clothing line.
No, he should know the meaning of gangster.
I mean,
what
hold
he's-
it. Just look at this thing. Rainbow puked on it.
It
Yeah.
was just like, what the hell happened to it?
Definition of
Flat cap.
I mean, seriously, this is lazy.
It just
Lazy.
it's not helping anybody.
Don't touch
It just
Don't
needs
touch
to
it.
be
You'll catch rainbow.
thrown away.
Okay, so oh god, you know what? Let's kill it there. Okay, you've been watching Fashion Popo.
Thank you.
Wait, he's wearing dungarees.